Welcome back, beautiful souls. Are you ready to embark on a transformative journey through the wonderful world of self-care? Today, we're diving into the secrets of nurturing our minds, bodies, and spirits throughout the seasons. Whether you're battling the chill of winter or basking in the warmth of summer, self-care is the key to maintaining a balanced and fulfilling life. So grab a cozy blanket, a cup of tea, and let's set off on this captivating journey together. Part 1. Embracing winter wonders. As the snowflakes gently fall and the temperature drops, winter presents a unique opportunity for self-care. It's a time for introspection, rejuvenation, and embracing the simple pleasures of life. Here are some tips to help you thrive during this season of hibernation. Embrace Heg. Heg, a Danish concept, encourages us to create cozy and comforting environments. Light scented candles, snuggle up with a good book, and savor warm homemade meals. Surround yourself with things that bring you joy and create a sanctuary of comfort within your own home. Prioritize rest. Winter is the perfect time to catch up on much-needed rest. Set aside dedicated me time for relaxation and rejuvenation. Practice mindfulness meditation, take soothing baths, and indulge in luxurious skincare routines. Remember, rest is an essential component of self-care. Part 2. Blooming into spring. Spring. The season of new beginnings and fresh energy. It's time to shake off the winter blues and embrace the beauty of growth and transformation. Here are some self-care tips to help you bloom alongside nature. Connect with nature. Take advantage of the warmer weather and spend time outdoors. Go for walks in the park. Practice yoga in the garden or start a small herb garden. Connecting with nature not only helps improve your physical well-being, but also nourishes your soul. Declutter and refresh. Spring cleaning isn't just about tidying up your physical space. It's also an opportunity to declutter your mind and revitalize your surroundings. Clear out the old, organize your living space, and create a serene atmosphere that supports your well-being. Part 3. Savoring the summer sunshine. Summer is a season of adventure, vibrancy, and soaking up the warm sun. Let's explore how you can make the most of these sun-kissed months through self-care. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is key during the summer months. Remember to drink plenty of water and enjoy refreshing fruit-infused beverages. Hydration is not only important for physical health, but also for maintaining mental clarity and overall well-being. Embrace joyful movement. Take advantage of the longer days and embrace joyful movement. Try outdoor activities like swimming, cycling, or hiking. Engaging in physical exercise not only promotes a healthy body, but also releases endorphins, boosting your mood and overall happiness. Part 4. Falling into autumn bliss. Autumn, with its crisp air and vibrant foliage, brings a sense of coziness and reflection. Let's explore how to make the most of this season through self-care. Practice gratitude. Autumn reminds us to appreciate the beauty of change. Start a gratitude journal and reflect on the things you're grateful for each day. Cultivating a grateful mindset can bring immense joy and contentment to your life. Nourish your body. As the temperature cools down, it's essential to nourish your body with wholesome foods that support your well-being. Incorporate seasonal fruits and vegetables into your meals. Try warming soups and stews, and savor the comforting flavors of autumn spices like cinnamon and nutmeg. Engage in self-reflection. Autumn invites us to turn inward and engage in self-reflection. Take time to assess your goals, dreams, and aspirations. Set intentions for the coming months and create a self-care routine that aligns with your needs and desires. No matter the season, self-care is a vital aspect of our overall well-being. By embracing the unique qualities of each season and incorporating self-care practices into our daily lives, we can nurture ourselves holistically. Remember, self-care is not selfish. It's an act of love and compassion towards ourselves. So let's commit to making self-care a priority in every season and watch as our well-being flourishes. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the seasons of self-care. I hope you found these tips and tricks helpful and inspiring. Remember to take care of yourself, embrace the beauty of each season, and always prioritize your well-being. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep shining brightly.